I'll now guide you through editing soccer highlights on CapCut, step by step. Edit soccer highlights on your phone using CapCut, as you can see here. First, download the video from YouTube or use a pre-downloaded file. Download this soccer match video from YouTube or use your already downloaded file as you see. Full video. Then, simply upload the entire video into CapCut, as you can see here. Upload the full video and decide where you want to share it, as you see here. Upload the video, either to Shorts or to a regular post, as you prefer. For Shorts, aim for a 30-40 second video, as you can see here, and make it engagingly quick and snappy. Ensure the video is 30-40 seconds long, as you can see here, and edit it swiftly. You can even add an edit just like this, carefully. If making a video, it must be at least 5-10 minutes. Yes, but if we're making it for Shorts, as you can see, we must decide now. Here we have someone just walking around. With the ball, doing it all, yes, there's slow motion here. Filming is great. As you can see, there's something. A scene where a player scores a goal, yes, it's possible. Add slow motion effects here, just like this, to enhance it. We can add here, for example, a person. Here he tosses it up. Maybe he does it like this, as you can see here. He tossed the ball, and right here, you can add a smooth transition. He tossed the ball, and it appeared right here, as you can see. We can, as I mentioned, use slow motion, carefully. Add here smoothly. If you've downloaded the video, you need to create a mini highlight reel, as you can see here, to capture the best moments smoothly. Trim each clip carefully, ensuring you review every single fragment thoroughly. Trim the video to highlight the best moments, choosing carefully for yourself. And which ones you liked, or might like, as you can see, carefully. For others who will be watching your video, as you can see here. After this, we can add some music, but choose wisely, please. It's added after you've done it, as you can see here. Full video clip. For your edit, add some dynamic music here. Add energy with effects. Yes, and enhance the vibe carefully. If someone talks, you can add subtitles for clarity. To add subtitles, tap on the subtitles option right here now. Auto subtitles will be created for you automatically. Do absolutely nothing now. You can add transitions anywhere, like here, for example. Here, as I mentioned, you can add a transition. Add more clips. That's it. I've shared the highlights. Thanks all. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck and goodbye now.